Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can set the shipping price on your personal marketplace products programmatically in a way where even when repricing your products, the shipping price is set. So a lot of people like to increase their margins and increase their competitiveness by adding a shipping price. So for example, here is one of my products. Currently it is out of stock, but if I click on view listing, you will see that it is it ships for free. So it's $9.99, but at this moment it's out of stock, but it ships for free. There's no shipping cost on it. I can show you another product right here, which is in stock. If I click on view listing and I scroll down, you can see that it ships for $4, right? So basically, how do you add that shipping price on to some of your products? It's quite simple. The way to do it is you go into your templates and you basically create a personal marketplace template. So I'm going to choose Facebook Marketplace USA, and I can add in personal marketplace template as my title. I'll set a quantity of 5. I'll set a markup or a margin of 25%, and I'll set a shipping price of $9.99. The header and footer don't really matter for the purpose of this video, but we can just click on Save Changes. Once we click on Save Changes, we can head back into our product section. And here are all my products that are on my personal marketplace. So let me just make sure all of them are visible on the page, and now they are. So I would just like to select all of them and then click on bulk actions and then click apply or reapply template. Once I click apply, I can choose my latest template with the shipping cost and then click on save changes. Now that is pretty much it, and the repricer will add the shipping cost in for you when it's updating your products. Now, there are some conflicts here, right? So one thing is, how do you make sure the shipping price goes through? And what if you already have a shipping price, right? What if you have shipping prices that you set for different products on your own before? Is this going to override it and interfere with it? The answer is no, it's not going to override it. The only time the shipping price is set is when the product goes back in stock, right? So let's say your products are out of stock, all of them. Then when you bring them back in stock, that is when your products will have this new shipping price, right? And from then on, it's just going to be held. But, it's not like if you currently have shipping prices, it's not like the software is going to go in and override them. The only time the shipping price, the additional shipping price is set is when a product was out of stock and then comes right back in stock, right? So also, will it add a shipping price if there is no shipping price? Currently on my products, there's no shipping price. So is it just going to add the shipping price? No, it won't. It'll only do it if the product comes back in stock, goes out of stock, then comes back in stock. Once it's back in stock, it's going to add the shipping price. We do this to ensure that users don't, get mixed up. Perhaps they had different products with different shipping prices. We don't want the software to go in and override it and cause chaos in their selling strategy. So this is a much cleaner way of doing it. But anyways, to sort of demonstrate this, I'm just going to put all of my products out of stock. I'm going to force them out of stock. So the way to do it is just to click on all the buttons here. You select all of the products here. Then you click on bulk actions. And then you click on force out of stock, click on apply, and click yes, turn on. And what this will do is it'll force all of my products out of stock for personal Facebook Marketplace. So one more thing that we need to do to make this happen is click on the Fbmfox extension, then go into settings, and then click on Run FB Repricer. And what this will do is it'll open up a bunch of tabs and close them out themselves. And what it's going to do is it's going to put all of my products out of stock, because what I want is a blanket update of shipping prices, right? I don't necessarily want a one single product to have the shipping price. I want all of my products to have the shipping price. So it's just doing its thing right now, and we can see what it's doing by viewing the repricer log in the dashboard. So here it just forced some of my products out of stock just now, and we're just going to wait for it to complete. All right, so a whole bunch of tabs opened up and closed, and it took a little while. But after looking into my repricing log, it seems that all of my products are actually now forced out of stock. And then what I could do is I can go ahead and bring them back all in stock. So the way to do that would be select all my products again and disable the force out of stock option. So select all my products, then click on bulk actions, then click on force out of stock, click apply, and click no turn off. Once we click that, it'll basically allow these products to come back in stock if they are in stock at your supplier. And the last thing we need to do is just click on the Fbmfox extension, click on the settings, and then click on run FB repricer. And it'll start opening up tabs again, and we can sort of watch the show in our dashboard section where we will see products coming back in stock as they do. So we kind of just have to wait and watch while all of these products come back in stock and the shipping price is added to all of them. So as you can see, it sort of hijacked my screen just now, and it's going to start setting the shipping price for me. And I'm not doing a single thing. It just did everything for me right there. I didn't click anything, I didn't do any of that. And whenever it needs to add the shipping price, it'll kind of just hijack my screen and do it for me. And this may be a screen intrusive process, but this is only because, my entire catalog, I forced it out of stock. So it's just going to bring these products back in stock and add the shipping price when it needs to, and we'll be good to go. Now, if this entire process was sort of daunting to you or overwhelming, we recommend just using Fbmfox with Facebook Shops. Now, this is separate from Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Shops, we have a direct integration with them. So repricing of products and shipping price and all of that, it's direct. It's all by the computers, servers, backend stuff. You don't have to worry about a single thing. And it's all done for you. It's automatic. There's nothing like this where it takes your screen and changes things visually. So if you think this whole process is kind of daunting, we suggest use Facebook Shops. We have a direct integration and it's going to help you. But in the meantime, we can watch the show, and you can see that on a lot of these products, it's going ahead and it's adding that $10 shipping price in for me. And Facebook Shops allows decimals, but Personal Marketplace does not allow decimals. So it's going ahead and it's just rounding up my price to $10 as it adds the shipping price. Alright guys, now that repricing is complete, I can refresh my screen and I can see all of the products that have been repriced. And now you can see they no longer say force out of stock, because now they're back in stock. And if I click on the Facebook icon beside the product, it shows me the price of the product. So right now it says $7, or right here it says $7. And if I scroll down, it says my shipping cost, which is ships for $10. So really this product is $17, right? And the same thing I can do for every single other product. So this porch swing, if I click on it, it takes me to Facebook, and here it's 93 bucks and it says it ships for $10, right? So this is how you basically synergize the shipping cost for personal Facebook Marketplace. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and start that 7-day free trial from Fbmfox. You can cancel anytime, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.